The Sustainable Cities Manila program is a program in the Philippines that we started through a collaboration between DePaul universities and Adamson University, a sister Vincentian universities in the Philippines, who have been engaged in the past few years in very interesting work at the community level in the Metro Manila area, in trying to improve as an academic institution by accompanying people who are informal settlers or people living as scavengers in this major garbage dump of Payatas in Manila, to improve their situation, but also to create that community capacity that actually would bring a better living not only for their own family, their own communities, and their own organization, but perhaps also at the city level and at the state level. So DePaul University, and particularly with the program with the School of Public Service, we've been engaging this by bringing our graduate students every December there and working together in a true collaborative process in conducting assessment on poverty reduction and assessment in this participatory and appreciative inquiry approach for benefiting these communities, particularly the Southville, Cabuyao community of people who have been displaced by the government because they were living as informal settlers along the railroad, the North-South Railroad of Manila. Our students work together with Adamson University faculty, community leader, and volunteers for the Vincentian Center for Social Responsibility. I think it's a true expression of international collaboration and academic collaboration, that it's a win-win-win situation, because our students really learn about these modern techniques and skills in collaborative research. Adamson faculty, they can learn about how to increase their level of effectiveness and skills for an ongoing research. Community leaders, they can benefit because through the results of this collaboration, they can actually implement processes for influencing public policy and decision making. And the Vincentian Center for Social Responsibility, they also exemplify an incredible approach to Vincentian engagement. They have expression of Vincentian social entrepreneurship, selling soap that has been created through partnership of corporations and non-profit organizations, university coordination, and community leaders who are able to sustain themselves because of that work. Their work of micro savings is incredible. It's, students learn that it's not just microfinance that really makes a difference, but micro savings, something that in which the people in poor community themselves become subjects and responsible for their own changes by putting together money for community projects, or by reinvesting this money in these so-called small group or self-help groups in which women, for instance, who might be producing certain product like weaving product or from recycling material like they do in Payatas, they're able to get together, like 12 women, and then whatever they save weekly, one person of this can get the money and able to reinvest and restitute the money in the following week. 12 of this group of women, they actually form an assembly. And these kind of assemblies, 12 of them, they form a federation. And this federation influence directly public policy and the government. I mean, this is a scheme that is so important to see and probably to be learned also at the community level, even the Chicago community level, in which our students benefit because it's not only a best practice in international development, as it was recognized by the UN Habitat and other awards that were given to the Homeless People Federation of the Philippines and other Vincentian groups there. But it's also an incredible example for doing this work at the international and local level. So we're really proud of this program because it offers opportunity to learn about urban sustainability from a social perspective.